Hi, my name is Chris Noble. I'm an independent IT consultant and professional photographer. My website is www.doglightcourse.com. This is a short video on how to add RAM to your computer. The things you'll need for this are a screwdriver, a way to get rid of static electricity, and your computer. The first step is to ensure that the memory you have is right for your computer. Now, your memory supplier should be able to check your motherboard number and tell you which memory is right. So do check that you have the right memory before starting. The second step is to take the side of your computer off. Often there'll be a quick release panel that won't require a screwdriver, but a lot of computers will require a screwdriver to take the back two screws off the computer case. The third step is to ensure that you have no static electricity. So if you ground yourself against the computer case itself or something metallic, then you'll be sure not to burn out the memory that you're installing. The last step is to find the DIMM or the memory slots and firmly but carefully install the memory. This may vary by motherboard, so check your motherboard instructions for installation instructions for your board. My name is Chris Noble. Thanks for watching this video on how to install a random access memory card.